Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. So what we will discuss today? We will discuss one beautiful exercise on offbeat. So you can see in below the notation, I am playing the 120 BPM in metronome. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we will clap each rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you could able to do this perfectly. Now coming to the first notation, which is first we will do the click on the first bell. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. So say sound will be in the bell, you will say 1. In this 1 you will clap. Rest 2, 3, 4 won't clap. Okay, again I am showing you. 1, 1, 1. So if you are more confident on it, then come to the notations. Here I am using sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa notes. So if you will see, first 1, 2 sa re, 1, 2 re ga, 1, 2 ga ma, 1, 2 ma pa, 1, 2 pa dha, 1, 2 dha ni, 1, 2 ni sa. Okay, so what I am doing, I am just not playing in 1 and 2, then I am playing the notes. Let me play 1, 2. So you understood that first thing. 1, 2 I am giving off, then I am playing. Coming to the next, it is 1 sa 1 re. So first third I am giving off. Sa re, 1 sa 1 re, 1 sa 1 re. So we will not, first we will practice with saying 1. 1 sa 1 re, or you can say off. Off sa, off re, off sa, off re. If you are confident with that, then go for the next mode. Like off sa, off re, off sa, off re. Sa, re, re, ga. Like that we will go for upper sa. Let me play. Then we will return back to again sa. So I am not playing that, you will practice. Now we are coming to the third, which I am giving, where I am giving the off notes on the second and third. Sa 1, 2 re, re 1, 2 ga. So sa 1, 2 re, re 1, 2 ga. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now one point is, everybody will get difficulties to play that, to understand that. So what you will say in your mind, you will say sa 1, 1 re, re 1, 1 ga, and this 1 and 1 you will stretch the sa. Sa re, re ga, ga ma, sa re, sa re. like that it will go. Now for the next. So I am giving third and fourth beat off. Sa re 1 2 re ga 1 2. So hope you understood what I am trying to say during this exercise. I will the part 2 of the same video I will bring with different notes and that will be little bit advanced. If you could not practice these one, and that video will be difficult for you. So I am giving you a time to practice this. See you in another video. Practice, practice, practice. This will be the only key to get success. Thank you very much. Thank you.